All right, we started off with 2 packages of our Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies in our greased 13 by 9. I'm just gonna put this to the side for now, and I'm gonna bring in a medium bowl and a whisk. I have here the Jell-O Classic no-bake cheesecake, and we're just gonna use that filling today. And we're gonna put that whole package right into our bowl. Now this calls for 1.5 cups of milk. I'm gonna use half and half because I just feel like it makes it extra creamy. Now you might be wondering what I'm doing with raw cookies and no-bake cheesecake, but the combination is gonna be incredible. Okay, perfect, 1.5 cups. We're gonna pour that right into our bowl and get this nice and mixed up. All right, these are 2 of my favorite things, chocolate chip cookies and cheesecake for the ultimate dessert. I love, love, love this dessert. It is definitely not healthy, so do not come at me. This is gonna be a sugary sweet dessert that everyone will love. Just make sure you really get that mixed together because we do not want any, little chunks of powdered cheesecake in our dessert.
It smells so good.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I don't know what smells better, the cookie dough or the cheesecake mix. Okay, once you feel like it is fully well combined, we are gonna take this whisk out. We don't need it anymore. And we're gonna bring in our 13 by 9 with our cookie doughs. Make sure those cookies are nice and lined up. And we're just gonna pour this right on top. I have a spatula to get as much out as possible. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, cookie dough, cheesecake, done. Now call me crazy. I'm coming in with some milk chocolate brownie mix. Yes, I am. I have it already pre-made to the box instructions, so saved you guys a little bit of time. I have my ice cream scoop here, and we're just gonna add scoops of brownie mix right on top of the cheesecake and the cookies for the ultimate brownie cheesecake cookie dessert. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be absolutely incredible.
I'm gonna only take one bite, I promise.
Well, I'm gonna eat all of it, so. All right, before we pop this in the oven, I'm just gonna grab a little toothpick and kind of just give some marble to it. It doesn't look like it wants to marble that much, which is totally fine, but the idea is there. Okay, that looks absolutely delicious, you guys. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for about 45 minutes. All right, you guys. So it was actually in the oven closer to 1 hour, but it looks incredible. Oh my goodness. Okay. Before we dig into this, I am gonna get my plate ready with some ice cream. This is just some vanilla bean. It's some light ice cream. Keep it light with that rich brownie cheesecake. Oh my goodness. Okay. Probably need a couple scoops with this small scooper, huh?
They're cute.
Perfect. Okay, time to dig in the cheesecake, the cookie, and the brownie. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Moment of truth.
Oh yeah, look at that. Looks so good.
Looks amazing.
This is gonna be the best brownie I've ever eaten in my life. Oh my God. Okay, I know you guys always tell me to let it cool, but I cannot help myself. I need to eat it right away. That looks like a decent bite.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. So good, you guys.